Hello Earthlings. Today, we're re-diving into a topic that might send a chill down your spine and even reshape your entire view of the universe. Is Earth's civilization the universe's first release, or are we the last player to log on? And the more you listen, the more you'll realize that the reason we queue and find any aliens might not be because the universe is too barren, but because we've arrived far too late. To understand just how mind-boggling this question is, let's play a little time conversion game. Once we're done, you'll probably feel as chilled as I do. Imagine compressing the universe's entire 13.8 billion year history into a single calendar year. Guess when the important stuff happens. On January 1st, at the stroke of midnight, the Big Bang occurs, and the universe officially boots up. Then a full 8 months pass. It's not until early September that our solar system slowly forms, and Earth is still just a pile of cosmic rubble. We wait another 3 months, until mid-December, for the first single-celled life to appear on Earth. By then, the universe's year is almost over, and human civilization. You won't believe it. It's not until December 31st, at 11:59 p.m., in the last few dozen seconds, that we even have written records. The steam engine, landing on the moon, and you and I scrolling on our phones right now in cosmic time. That doesn't even add up to a single second. Now, here's the problem. Think about that timeline. What was the universe doing from January to December 29th, for a full 363 days? With trillions of planets similar to Earth born in the universe, was there really no civilization at all? Was it all just empty, waiting for us to show up? It's like throwing a New Year's party that runs all year but the venue is empty for 363 days, and only in the last few seconds does a group of people arrive and say, hey, we're the first ones here. Does that sound reasonable to you? The first time I crunched these numbers, I was stunned, just felt wrong. And now I understand why the physicist Enrico Fermi asked that famous question, where is everybody? If there were ancient civilizations out there, sending signals or exploring the galaxy, the universe should be buzzing with activity. So why haven't we detected anything? This silence points to a deeply unsettling possibility. One of the most discussed explanations is the Great Filter. Think of it as the ultimate survival challenge in a cosmic game. If civilization's development is a 100-level game, we humans, with our internet and rockets, have barely reached level 10. So why don't we see any godlike civilizations that have cleared level 100? Because almost all of them get wiped out at level 90 or 95. Maybe it's war, an AI rebellion, or using up all their planet's resources. They get a game over with no save file left. But what if the Great Filter isn't a future obstacle? What if it's something that has already happened? And what if we humans aren't an original civilization at all, but the descendants of some long-lost ancient society? Maybe the very ground beneath our feet is an archaeological site. Think about the ancient ruins on Earth that we still can't fully explain, those massive structures that seem far beyond the technology of their time. Take the Easter Island statues. How did ancient people carve and move them? Or the incredible precision of the pyramids? How did the ancient Egyptians achieve that without modern tech? Mainstream science has its theories, but that does unstop some from speculating. Could these be monuments left by players from a previous version of the game? And if ancient civilizations did exist, where did they go? Did they hit the Great Filter, or did they leave Earth? Are they out there somewhere, watching us? You might say this is all just wild speculation. But hold on. The next theory will make you doubt Earth's uniqueness even more. Scientists like NASA's Gavin Schmidt proposed a mind-bending thought experiment called the Silurian hypothesis. It asks, if an industrial civilization existed on Earth billions of years ago, say, before the dinosaurs, what evidence would we find today? The answer is, almost nothing. Let's imagine human civilization vanished right now. What would be left in 100 million years? Our skyscrapers would crumble to dust. Plastics and glass would be completely degraded. Even our nuclear waste would become safe. Plate tectonics would drag our ruins into the Earth's mantle and melt them away. Forget aliens. Even our own future descendants wouldn't find any physical evidence that we were ever here. It's not that prehistoric civilizations didn't exist. It's that we might not have the ability to find the evidence. So what could be the only trace left behind? Scientists say it's chemical fingerprints in the rock layers. Burning fossil fuels leaves a unique carbon signature. Plastics and nuclear tests also create distinct chemical signals. These signals can last for billions of years. When we study geology, we see layers from the dinosaur era and the trilobite era. But who's to say there are chemical signals from a prehistoric industrial civilization hidden in a layer we just have learned to read yet? So if Earth itself might not be a first-hand home, what about planets that are billions of years older? Kepler 452b, for example, is 1.5 billion years older than Earth. If civilizations existed there, they might have gone through several cycles of rise and fall by now. Now, let's expand our view to the entire universe. If truly ancient cosmic civilizations existed, what traces would they leave? A civilization billions of years ahead of us wouldn't be using solar panels. They'd be undertaking cosmic-scale engineering. They might build what is called a Dyson sphere, a massive structure built around a star to capture all of its energy. The first time I heard about Dyson spheres, it sounded like mythology, but astronomers are seriously looking for them. How? By watching for strange changes in a star's brightness. If a star suddenly dims irregularly, it might not be a natural event. It could be a Dyson sphere blocking the light, or even the wreckage of a failed one, a cosmic ruin. The famous case of Tabby's star, which dimmed by a staggering 22%, sparked this very speculation. While it's likely a dust cloud, it opened up a new way of thinking. Have we been looking in the wrong direction all along? Imagine we're a group of primitives in a dark forest, searching for campfires, completely unaware of the silent, glowing steel city on the other side of the woods. So, let's go back to our big question. Are we the first or the last? There are two possibilities, both awe-inspiring. 1. We are the chosen ones. In 13.8 billion years, we are the first spark of consciousness. Our destiny is to light up the cosmos and spread life to other worlds. This idea fills you with a sense of immense responsibility. 2. We are late arriving archaeologists. The universe was once full of civilizations, but they all failed to survive the Great Filter. The silent sky we see is a graveyard of fallen empires, and our job is to find their tombstones and learn from their mistakes so we don't repeat them. Whichever it is, one thing is certain: human civilization is fragile. The fact that we are here, watching this video, is a miracle. We must cherish our existence and not take our future for granted. Perhaps the meaning of our existence is to tell our story, and to make it last as long as possible. Every time I think about this, I look up at the starry sky. I used to see just points of light. Now I feel like behind every star hides a story of civilization waiting to be born, or the ruins of one long gone. This humility before the universe is perhaps more important than finding aliens. Of course, this is all speculation, but now it's your turn. Which possibility do you believe? What do you think the Great Filter is? Nuclear war, resource depletion, or some undiscovered cosmic law? Drop your wildest ideas in the comments below. Let's explore the universe together. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like and subscribe for more cosmic adventures.